This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download Zoom. So I'm right here on the main downloads page for Zoom. You can find it at zoom.us/download, and I'll put that URL in the video description just below this video, so you can just click on that link and you'll wind up here, and you won't need to go search or anything. So the main download center, it will know what operating system you have. It has correctly identified that I'm on a Mac, so I have the option here for Apple Silicon, which is actually what I have, or for the Intel chips if you want to go for that version. You can also get it on the Mac App Store and also on the Google Play Store. Then there are these extensions down here for Microsoft Outlook right here, browser extensions for Chrome, Firefox, and Microsoft Edge right here. And then there's some other download options right here as well. You can also visit the admin download page. So you can also find these are the Zoom downloads for IT admins. So that's an option for you as well. Version wise, we can click here on the version number, and then we go to this page right here. And we've got all of the different releases right here. So, if you want to download it on a different platform, maybe you're on a Mac, but you want to get the Windows version or Linux version, Android version, etc., you have all of the different versions right here. So this is the main page. You can access everything from here. If you're on Windows, it will, it should identify that you are in fact with Windows and give you the options right here. But like I say, I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to go for download for Apple Silicon. All that's left to do is click that download button, and then you see in the top right corner we get that minor redirect, and we see the icon goes flying up, which is a universal sign on a Mac that something has been downloaded. So now all that's left to do, the straightforward bit, is just to find that download and open up the installer and just follow the instructions from the installer from there. So depending on your browser configuration, your download location might be different to mine, but I'm right here on my Mac on Google Chrome, and I have my downloaded files and folders go directly to the downloads folder. Your downloads location might be different. Hopefully you found this video on how to find and download Zoom. We've got all of the different versions here. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.